Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Getting ready to take the trip to Xena, Ohio for the Dayton Hamcation, the Hamfest there that they have. And I'll be sleeping in my Toyota Sienna minivan. I picked up this because last year, that first night especially, it was hot in the van and I had a little airflow, really would have gone a long way. It's the portable fan from Conbola. I'm going to guess that is, and it also has a light. So I've been using this old camp light. Here's a picture of what one of those old camp lights looks like. I still have it. It takes the 6-volt lantern battery. But I figured I'd upgrade to something like this because like a flashlight is way too bright, especially these LEDs. They're just kind of, they're a bit much, you know. Well, this should hopefully get me some airflow. And it's a nice little teeny fan here, kind of rotating. And it has a backlight to it, which I think is pretty cool. 3 levels of brightness. And then there's an on-off button here for the fan as well. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to get the camera, or get the microphone close in here. That is, of course, now I am deaf and have terrible tinnitus, but at that speed, it is very quiet. That's medium. And that's all the way up. All the way up, I can hear it. But yeah, that's a ton of airflow. We'd never have to have that much airflow in a van. I would think that that amount of airflow would be enough, honestly. Yeah. It's extremely lightweight. This is also cool about it. You can hang it upside down, and that's what I'll be doing. I'll be hanging it from the, there's a grab handle. I was about to use the other way, you can say that. But I'll hang it from that and just kind of point it. Leave that one window cracked ever so slightly. And you can run them, of course, both at the same time, too. Nice. Now, what's really cool about this, and it's the reason I picked one, is that it actually can recharge off of solar. If I can get this open, there we go. And here it is. So a nice little solar panel with a USB to USB adapter. And of course, this doesn't just have to be for this. You could use this solar panel to charge a phone if you wanted to. You pretty much charge anything you want with it. On the back here. And the charging process begins. So pretty cool. Yeah, and it's got some adjustments here that you can change it around. All right, let's take a look here. Specifications for 2-in-1 charging fan. Product description. This product adopts a brushed motor, lightweight PC blade, super strong wind force. The shell adopts environmentally friendly, strong pressure resistance, fall resistance, suitable for mobile use. After unpacking it, it just says that. This product is equipped to run with the adapter or charger. It has a charging indicator, so when it's outside or it needs to be recharged, those will light up to let you know what state of charge the battery has. And it is a 5-volt and it is 2 amp hour. Awesome. Well, it's a short video, but if you are going to, what I'm thinking about as far as this thing being as light as it is, and unfortunately, I'm getting too old for this sort of stuff, but actually camping and a tent camping, this would be awesome for that as well. So certainly does have a place in the system for me anyway. Hopefully it will for you. I had looked at getting a Ryobi. I have a lot of Ryobi tools, and I looked at getting a Ryobi fan, which I have like one of the large 12-inch fans, but the blade broke on it finally after, I've had that thing. It's blue, so it's one of the ones from 25 years ago. But so I looked at getting a replacement, but they were very, very proud of what they had there. This, I think, for me, will do just fine. All right, I'll leave a link to where you can get one, and I will see y'all next time on the other side of Dayton. Take care.